Hello everyone, myself Mitesh Savalya from Praveen Patil Polytechnic, lecturer in Electrical Engineering Department. In the previous video, we have studied about the starting and protecting components of IMCC. In the previous video also we have studied about the controlling devices used in the IMCC, how IMCC is responsible for the controlling of motors. Now in this video we are going to learn how MCC is selected. So the selection criterias and selection processes of the MCC that we have to learn in this video. What are the parameters considered while selecting the MCC? What are the parameters considered while selecting the IMCC? How IMCC is better option when MCC is not applicable. So this all the selection parameters that we have to learn in this video. So first, selection of MCC. So first we will see the criteria for selection of MCC for a different type of motor control application, the choice of type of MCC to be implemented. So according to this given parameters, the type of MCC is selected. Start and stop indication and control, overload protection, earth leakage protection for large rating motors. Normally above 40 HP this parameter is considered. So earth leakage protection for the large rating motors. So the motors having rating above the 40 HP, this parameter is considered. Under voltage protection, single phasing protection, this is the important factor which we have to consider while selecting the MCC. Current indications or a current meters, that is ammeters. Voltage indications or voltage meter, that is voltmeters. Transmissions of signals, communication signals between different sections. So these are the basic motor functions. So these functions are considered while selection of the MCC. So these are the factors which are responsible for the selection of MCC. Now to enhance the motor operation, what functions must be kept in mind is energy condition monitoring or a measurement, motor winding condition or a state, windings are too hot or too wet, motor bearing conditions, worn out or noisy bearing, restarting after sudden voltage dips, low current condition protection. So these are the factors which enhances the motor operation that we have to keep in mind while selection of a MCC. Now the selection criteria. When conventional MCC is a better option, when we have to select the conventional MCC, first is limited information of motor operating parameters are to be exchanged with the DCS, that is distributed control system. So when we have a limited parameters for the measurement, at that time we can select the conventional MCC. When we have to replace with the DCS, that is distributed control system. Second option is standard starters are sufficient to get the required work done without much loss of accuracy. That means there is no specific requirement of a starter to start the motor So standard starters with overload functionality are sufficient to revisit work done without much loss of accuracy. So accuracy is not a consideration, specific type of starter is not a consideration. At that time we can use a conventional MCC or we can select the conventional MCC. The personnel working on the system would need very expensive and extensive training to handle the complex equipments. That means the person who is working with the conventional MCC should need a very extensive and expensive training for the handling of the motors, because conventional MCC is much more complicated as compared to the IMCC. So to handle this complex equipments and complex circuitry, a personnel working for this conventional MCC should have extensive and expensive training so that he can handle the conventional MCC easily. Third parameter, components obsolescence will not be faced after 12-15 years. That means the replacements of the components or the maintenance of the components is not a considered factor. That means there should not be any replacement should take place between 12 to 15 years once the conventional MCC is installed. So the components upgradations, components replacement is not applicable at that time conventional MCC is selected, and that replacement time or updated time should be of 12 to 15 years. So these are the factors when conventional MCC is a better option than the IMCC. With the help of these factors, if we install the IMCC, so we are wasting our money because there are no such a requirement or no such replacements are available or are possible. So why to waste the money using IMCC? Conventional MCC is a better option. Now, when IMCC are the better option, why IMCC we have to select? A huge amount of MCC data is communicated to the DCS. For example, for a remotely operated facility, data may be needed regarding the reasons for operation of the trip devices, savings visits by the personnel to remote location. That means a motor which is available far away from the personnel, it is inaccessible for the personnel. So during this we have to take a reading remotely. So to take the reading remotely we need a communication, and the communication option is available only in the IMCC. So for the remote locations IMCC is preferred first. Second factor, more than the standard starter functionality is required. That means a particular type of starter is used for the starting of the motor. In conventional MCC there is no specific requirement of the starters, but for the motor which require a particular type of starter, for that IMCC is used. It is expected that a significant number of changes to control will be required over the lifetime of the MCC. That means in a particular time interval, replacement and changes for the controls is required. During this time, IMCC can be selected. Simplified engineering and field modifications. It is wished to use the data such as loading, number of starters and running hours to assist in the decision maintenance strategies. That means where we have to make maintenance strategies at the time, loading, number of starts, running hours of the motors are required to be considered, at that time IMCC is preferred. So this was all about the selection criteria for the MCC and IMCC, and here we have completed our unit number 4. So if you have any doubt, you can call me or you can message me. Thank you.